Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin, a sales manager in Viens. Today I'm going to tell you something about electromagnetic lock. As you can see in the market, magnetic lock business is quite competitive. Some magnetic lock even only sell in $4 for one pieces. So why the competition is so fierce? Somebody know the answer? Okay. When you are purchasing a maglock, do you focus on its quality, its price, or the professionalism of the supplier? Okay, today I'm gonna lead you to the magic language of electromagnetic lock and tell you the truth why in business to business model some electromagnetic lock only sells in $4. The first part is what kind of magnetic lock is hot selling in the market, including standard time magnetic lock or magnetic lock with lock signals, dark signals, or time delay, or magnetic lock for double door. To illustrate the question of why electromagnetic lock only sells $4 in the market, I'm gonna start the first part in the advantage of magnetic lock produced by Viens. Firstly, its body covered by aluminum and high performance silicone steel sheet. As you can see, the quality is good. And all the material is customized from Baogang, which is the most famous steel supplier in China. Moreover, the silicone steel sheet is annealed in the furnace in 730 degrees for 7 hours. Which lead to a strong magnetic field after electrification. Secondly, inside its body, there is the pure copper wire, which is customized by Taiwan factory. It is able to ensure the pouring force and performance of each lock. The number 3 is its holding force. We test holding force before sending it to the market, making sure every piece of the product reach its corresponding force. So, how to tell the quality is good or bad? According to what we mentioned above, we also know how to tell the quality is good or bad. So we can recognize the quality of electromagnetic lock from its silicone steel sheet. Is it high performance? Or its body? Does its body covered by aluminum? Or based on the copper wire, is a pure copper wire inside? Does the holding force reach its literal description? And the last one is it tested manually before selling? So They also tell us why in business to business model, some only sell magnetic lock in $4. Maybe they sacrificed its quality, stability, and durability for lowering cost, which my company views is highly objected. So I gotta say there is no lowest price in China, only lower and lower. We attach great importance to the quality because we want to make long-term cooperation with customers in a positive and healthy way. So I would like to tell you the service of Virenz. We support OEM and different body finish. If we want to OEM your logos, we can put your logos over here for free. And we have different body finish such as brush finish. You can see the sense of line cover its body. And the second is sandblast finish. You can feel the body is totally different finish. The process is different. And the last one is oxidation. This one looks more smooth and sleek. So we also provide good quality products in different series. We have four series of products, including VI series with UL certificates, and TK series with 3 years warranty, and PD series is good for 1 year warranty, and so does ML series. It also has 1 year warranty. So, according what we described above, I guess you can't help to waiting to buy something to try. So what are you waiting for? And come to our channel and get the link below. It's time to enjoy the high quality electric magnetic lock. Okay, the class is over. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.